The more things change, the more they stay the same. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Monday, March the 29th, in a shortened week, Easter week, with Good Friday, obviously Friday. Our NCAA picks suck, so there you go. Here we are into a new week, and today's update is brought to you by our friends and partners at Family Farms, who help us help farmers do a better job taking care of their crops and their livestock, and as well as their portfolios. In the meantime, here we are. What a market. NASDAQ is getting crushed on over 100. The Dow is actually higher. The S&P is a little bit lower, and the Russell's on both sides of unchanged. It's enough to make a grown man cry. Okay. In the meantime, we are along everything but the Russell at the moment. Obviously, it looks like there'll be a change in the NASDAQ coming soon to a theater near you. But in the meantime, look, it is what it is, and that's the way we play it. We don't get involved with the day-to-day emotional parts of the markets because you can only get yourself in trouble. The metals look bad, and I wrote this morning for Kitco, they looked really bad, and they are right now, at the moment, they're falling apart. Now, they could change at any moment, but right now, gold's down over $25, and silver's getting clobbered. We'll see, but I think that you've got some new lower levels coming. That's just the way it looks, and we remain short gold and silver. Again, we would be short platinum, but we no longer trade it, not liquid enough. The crude is, again, all over the place as well. It's not lower right at the moment, but it could be higher later. Obviously, we've got the Suez Canal deal, and we've got OPEC and the criminals trying to take advantage of us. And, of course, with the administration opening the door to that, oil could go anywhere, but right now it looks like it's headed a little bit lower, and we are short. Copper's down nicely, and we reversed this morning into this sell-off, so hopefully we've got in somewhere near the bottoms. Nat gas is also lower, which we also reversed to the long side, so we're long both nat gas and copper now. The dollar is higher, and we are still long, of course, and bonds and notes are getting beat up a little bit once again, and it's hard to imagine that they can continue to get beat up, getting $120 billion a month bought into, but maybe that tells us something. Maybe that tells us the bond market is right. Okay, and again, we don't predict, and obviously we saw that monster rally on Friday, and it is the end of the quarter coming. So, you could see a last effort push up here. We'll see. Again, we don't try to predict. We just watch the price action. Okay. So, we look at the grain markets, and they're soft today. Another Monday, another lower opening. Again, we're short wheat, long corn, long beans. And there's no surprises here. We'll see where they end up. I don't have any idea where they're going to end up. I like them. There's a big report this week, of course. So we'll see how that plays out. But in the meantime, I don't see anything changing, except maybe wheat will change back to the long side. In the meats, protein complex, cattle, both fats and feeders are slightly higher. Hogs are a little bit lower. And again, we went straight up. You're going to get some pullbacks. Don't think the markets are going to go straight in one direction. They got to have some retracements. They got to have some pullbacks. That's just a part of business. Okay. And in the softs department, cotton just was lower. It's just slightly turned a little bit higher now. We're short. OJ just rallied a little bit, slightly higher. We're short. Coffee's lower. We're short. Sugar's lower. We're short. Cocoa is slightly higher, and we're short. So we're short everything there. And we'll see. Well, again, we don't predict. We're using a straight algorithm. We're looking to put ourselves in the best position to be with the path of least resistance. It's that simple. We've got some games, of course, some NCAAs, which we'll give you after we talk about our other sponsors once again. And, of course, we've got brokerage sponsors. Now, look, I have other brokers, so we'll be clear about that. But the ones I prefer for futures and commodities, it is the CTG Group. Okay. They do a great job. They get great customer service. They're the only ones authorized for our letter of direction trading. And, for my money, they do a terrific job. And why do I say that? Because they do my accounts as well. They also have some great managed futures products. And for equities and options, it's Tradier. And, the first thing you say is $10 a month. The second thing you talk about is our good customer service. And then, of course, the ability to automate your portfolio if you choose to do so. It is not required. You don't have to do it. But as a member, you have the right at no extra charge to automate our equity portfolios if you choose to. So again, Tradier, awesome place. And of course, our commodity report, Andy Hecht. I mean, what can I say? It's the best report there is. The quarterlies are coming out, and everybody loves it. And I think you'll love it too. Check it out at Technomental at BUBBATrading.com. And of course, we've got our high school program, which is at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And of course, tonight you've got Baylor in Arkansas, and you've got who the hell's the other game tonight? I'm losing my mind. Well, Gonzaga is tomorrow and against USC, and Michigan's playing tomorrow. And who's the fourth team? Anyways, basically we like the points with the USC against Gonzaga tomorrow, and we like Baylor tonight, and we'll see what happens. Maybe we'll turn it around. Have a great week, everybody. We'll see you back tomorrow from Vegas with another Bubba's Day update.